Hey buddy, let's cut the BS. You know that voice in your head that says, I'll start tomorrow? Yeah, that's the same voice that's kept you stuck for months. But what if I told you that one stupid hour a day could flip your entire script? Not 18-hour grinds, not hustle porn, just 60 minutes. Let's break it down. Trap number 1. The I'm too busy lie. Bro, we're all busy. But busy is not equal to productive. You scroll TikTok for 2 hours daily. You binge Netflix like it's your job. What if you stole one of those hours back? Just one. That's 365 hours a year. Enough to learn a language, build a side hustle, or get ripped. But nah, let's keep doom scrolling, right? The 6 a.m. myth. That's not the point. Hold up. I'm not saying wake up at 5 a.m. Hate mornings? Cool. Pick your golden hour. 10 p.m.? Lunch break? Doesn't matter. This isn't about being a productivity robot. It's about owning 60 minutes where you're the CEO of your life. No boss, no kids, no notifications, just you versus your potential. Our hack number 1. Steal the invisible time. You know those gaps in your day? Waiting in line, commuting, microwaving leftovers? That's free real estate. Listen to a podcast on confidence. Read 5 pages of a book. Plan your next move. Boom! Suddenly, you're not waiting, you're building. Our hack number 2. The Domino Effect Hour. 1 hour of focused work beats 4 hours of half-assery. Example, write 500 words a day. In a month, that's a 15,000-word ebook. In a year, you're rolling. Okay, maybe not, but you get it. Small wins stack into avalanches. Our hack number 3. The screw motivation rule. Motivation's a flaky friend. Discipline's the ride or die. Set a timer. 60 minutes. Do the thing. Even if you suck at first. Ugly progress greater than pretty excuses. The secret no one talks about. You know why most people fail? They quit before the compound interest kicks in. Day 1. Feels pointless. Day 30. You're a different person. Day 100. You're unrecognizable. But they bail at day 3. Don't be them. Your hour. Your rules. Learn. Watch a skill tutorial. Move. Dance, lift, yoga, just move. Create. Write, code, paint, brainstorm. Reflect. Journal, meditate, plan. Connect. Call someone who matters. The but what if I fail? Trap. Spoiler. You will fail. You'll skip days. You'll half-ass it. But here's the magic. Consistency forgives everything. Miss a day. Who cares? Just don't miss 2. Real talk. Your hour isn't sacred at first. People will interrupt. Your dog will bark. Your phone will blow up. Guard that hour like it's the last slice of pizza. Lock a door. Wear headphones. Stare into their soul and say, not now. The 1-year challenge. What could you do with 365 hours? Write a book. Learn coding. Start a podcast. Get shredded. Master a language. Fix your finances. Pick one. Then plot twist. Actually do it. Look, I'm not your life coach. I'm just some voice in your headphones. But if this hit, smash subscribe. Every click tells YouTube, yo, this guy's on to something. And if you're feeling generous, the Patreon link below keeps this train rolling. You're not just supporting me. You're funding a rebellion against male living. Start your hour today, not tomorrow, not Monday, today. Because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time? Right freaking now. Catch you in the next one.